Hello and welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to put up lily bulbs. These are 7-liter, 6.5-liter pots. It's 24 centimeters diameter and it's a long pot. And I use this pot to put up this lily, which is Blacklist. I'm going to use these lilies for inoculation. So I'm going to put only one bulb in a 7-liter pot, and you can see that the basal roots are already started to grow and these bulbs are turning green, so it really needs to be planted. Now when I put lilies, I usually use coir, as I mentioned earlier, and I fill the pot to about 75 to 80%. And I put the bulb in the middle, and normally you would plant a lily bulb about 10 to 15 centimeters deep, but in the pots you don't plant them that deep. So I just plant these lily bulbs around 7 centimeters deep, 7-8 centimeters deep, and it's because I would like to have a rim for watering the plant. And I'm also going to inoculate these plants with pathogens to see if they are really pathogens of the plant or not. So there's the second pot. I fill it up. I put the bulb in. Oh, this is nice, big bulb. 2 shoots, and fill it up, and be very careful, because if you break the shoots, the plant is not going to sprout again this year, only next year. So you will usually lose 1 year if you break the stem. The second one is ready, and the third one is on its way to be planted. So very nice, and I used the coir which I used for keeping the bulb moist till planting. You can see that I'm not pressing down at the shoots, just near the bulb, and I'm going to give them a thorough watering. I water the lilies and all my plants, to be honest, as long as I see the first drops of water coming out at the bottom of the pot. Then I know that I thoroughly water them and they will be fine. And I will water them next time when they need water, which is about 7 to 10 days usually. So that's it. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Goodbye.